Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share meeting links on Zoom app. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your Zoom app. On the top side, you can see there is option of meeting, join, schedule, share screen, and in the bottom you can see meet and chat, meetings, contact, and more. Now first of all you have to create a meeting. After you have entered the meeting, on the top side you can see Zoom. Tap on the Zoom and arrow facing downward. Here you can see there are various information about this meeting. For example, ID, meeting ID, host, that is me, post code, invite link, participant ID, and encryption. To share the link, it is a just simple process. You just have to copy the link given in invite link. You just have to keep on pressing it until you see copy button. Tap on that copy button and then now you can send this link to whoever you want through Facebook, Instagram, and many more applications. For example, I'm using Instagram to send this invite link to my friends. Now go to their message and then keep on pressing on the message box area until you see paste, and then paste it and send it. Now in this way they'll just tap on that link and they'll be able to join the meeting. The other way to add participant is by copying the meeting ID and sending it to them. But when they use meeting ID, they also have to have password of it, so you have to send the meeting ID as well as the password. Now do the same procedure for the password as well. Copy it and then paste it, then send it. And now they can join the meeting either by clicking on the link given or by entering the meeting ID and password that you have provided. And that is all for today. Now you know how to share a link of your Zoom meeting as well as how you can share its ID. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.